Hello everyone. So this video I painted an abstract art using three colors.
First, I textured the canvas with my homemade texture paste. You can check my description box for the texture paste recipe. So I textured my canvas with texture paste using a palette knife. I didn't cover all the canvas because I want to see some areas of the canvas texture free. Once the texture is completely dry, I started painting. I used these three colors for this painting. The first one is dark blue or cyan blue. I used cyan blue to cover the upper portion of the canvas. I used white acrylic to blend the cyan blue well. I always use white color as a blending paint. I kept blending with the white acrylic paint until I get a blend of cyan blue. Then I added turquoise color in the lower portion of the canvas. I covered the texture with turquoise color. I filled the middle part with turquoise blue. Then I added white acrylic paint top of the canvas to give an abstract sky look. Then I added our third color, that is gray, to fill up the uncolored areas of the canvas. I had a reference photo, so I chose colors accordingly. I blended the colors with a dry brush. Now this painting is ready for highlighting. I used white as a highlighter for the textures. Always use dry brush for highlighting. I used cyan blue as a second highlighting texture. I dragged the brush in certain direction to give a more sky look. Never use a wet brush for color uplifting. I blended the colors thoroughly because I don't want to see the brush strokes. You can make the texture even more highlighted look. You can apply darker shades on the edges of the texture. As you can see, the lower portion of the texture was embossed. Then I used grey color to balance with the other colors. Then I finished the look by using two other colors. I highlighted some areas with cyan blue again. Fill the spaces with other two colors and make the art more beautiful. So this is how I made an abstract art beautiful using three colors. I used white as a blending paint. Hope you liked the painting. Please subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.